Come on, go make snowman now. Oh, they're both making snowmen right now. Or Eb just having fun. And Baba, it's cold now. I put him inside for a while and then now he's back outside. Baba! Snow is beautiful but at the same time it's dangerous. Sunday, this is the first ever tikis. It's around
So we can have.
it's like 3 to 4 na. They said it's gonna be 6 to 10. Wag naman sana mag 10. Masyado nang. Beb. Monster snowman.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's hard to make a snowman. It's because it's pouring so hard too. Come on, let's go. Let's go now. Let's go inside. We've been here for almost 1 hour now. Come on. It's not that cold, but it's pouring hard now. Come on. Come on na, baby. Come on. It's there. Diba?